ǹjẹ́ mo tún kí yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń wò wá jákèjádò àgbáyé lórí Bembeyeke TV. Ohun ọ̀tun kan ni mo tún mú wá fún yín kẹ́ ẹ lè mọ bó ṣe ń lọ láwùjọ wa.
My people, welcome back to my boy Adam Slink. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you guys are watching this video from. Here is an update for those of you who care to know why Bobrisky, or where is Bobrisky still currently, where she dey, or where that bros dey, where that papa dey. You understand? We do not know. The last time we heard about Bobrisky was that one day in police custody, she started screaming, my breast, my breast, my breast. Now they quickly rushed into hospital, and then they saw that the breast was infected because she did not develop breast somehow, and then we never heard anything from the bros again. Maybe she's still there hospital or not. But here is an update. Well, things are not looking great for Bob. Things are not looking great for Bob. Not at all. It has taken another dimension. In fact, the correctional service, the EFCC, want to take drastic action against Bobrisky for lying against them. For lying against them. They said Bobrisky lied against them that she didn't spend any time in prison, that she was in an apartment. Why EFCC they told say Bobrisky lied, say he bribed them? I don't understand. But Bobrisky has severally denied the audio. Correctional service are coming for Bobrisky for lying that he don't stay for prison. This country, they confusing. I swear on God. I swear on God. Make it make sense. Can somebody make it make sense, guys? Please. Somebody should make it make sense. Bobrisky said no be do audio. Correctional service was dragged into it. Now correctional service they thought say Bobrisky lied against them. Say Bobrisky must pay. Say he lied against them. According to the blogs, he said Bobrisky may face fresh criminal charges over claims that he served his jail term in private apartment and alleged bribe officials of the EFCC to drop money laundering charges against him. Sunday Punch exclusively gathered that a panel set up to investigate the claim recommended that he should face defamation and criminal charges. The report stated that Bobrisky tarnished the image of the correctional service with false claim and also tarnished the image of the EFCC service with false claim. But Bobrisky, how can you? I don't understand. Well, it seems like he has not diverted away from VeryDarkMan now. Bobrisky, we have to explain why you make such defamatory statement. EFCC say, you never gave us money. Why did you lie that you gave us 15 million naira? Correctional service said, you were with us, you served your time. But why did you lie you didn't stay with us? I've never in my life had to witness such case before. So was it that, according to correctional service and EFCC, was it that Bobrisky was just trying to hype herself up? That's why she was lying? Because that's what they are saying. They say they have record that Bobrisky was with them. So why did Bobrisky lie? Bobrisky say, I am not the person on that tape. I never made such tape. I never made such tape. VeryDarkMan say, now you do am. So VeryDarkMan, they accuse correctional service and EFCC. EFCC, they accuse now Bobrisky say, you lied against us. Bobrisky now, they accuse VeryDarkMan say, I am not the owner of that tape. You lied against me. You can see the triangle issue. It goes from Bobrisky to correctional service and EFCC, now go to VeryDarkMan, now go back to Bobrisky. VeryDarkMan issue statement say Bobrisky no stay for correctional, no stay for prison, and also bribe EFCC, accusing Bobrisky, then accusing the EFCC and the correctional service. Bobrisky told say, I'm not the owner of that tape. You are lying against me, accusing VeryDarkMan back. EFCC and correctional service did their investigation and they said, no, we cannot just let this go. We have to accuse Bobrisky for lying against us. Bobrisky said, no, I don't lie against one another, but now VeryDarkMan will not go. Oh, I'm not tired. Oh. Following all such things is really tiring. What kind of thing be this? Now three-way case be this. Three-way case now be this. Sorry, four-way. We forgot the Falana. Yeah, we forgot Falana. Four-way case now be this. Four-way. What is happening? I am absolutely exhausted on this particular matter. The case has turned four-way now. I used to think it's between VeryDarkMan and Bobrisky. Nah. Correctional Service and EFCC want to drag Bobrisky to court. They don't forget VeryDarkMan. For them, they have already done their investigation. Maybe they discover, say, Bobrisky is indeed the person who was saying all those things. It was not a setup. Bobrisky will have to come and explain. Just imagine me as Bobrisky having to come and explain that I lied against myself. Me lying against myself is not a crime. Just imagine how your man they put you for trouble. They put you for trouble. Having to come and explain to general public Nigeria and say, oh, I lied against myself. Please forgive me. That is what Bobrisky have to prove, have to admit. Because according to Correctional Service and EFCC, we follow the due process. Bobrisky was the one trying to crash cruise. Bobrisky lied against herself. So Bobrisky himself or herself. Bobrisky will have to come outside now to tell the general public of Nigeria that forgive me for lying against myself. Have you ever have to apologize to people for lying against yourself before? Yes, so that's exactly what Bobrisky wants to do. And after he admit lying against herself, she will now go to jail again. Imagine have to pay for lying against yourself. You could have easily forgive yourself and let everything just go. But now, this kind of lying is the lying that have cost the country resources, cost us our time. So you have to pay for lying against yourself. Except if that lie is true. More reason. Well, now you will understand the confusion of this whole case. Bobrisky will have to apologize for lying against herself. This matter tire me. Hey, wahala. Hey. And Bobrisky is trapped. She cannot admit lying against herself. If she admit lying against herself, Falana go sue. correctional go sue, EFCC go sue, and she will have to pay for defamatory and also go to jail again. She's trapped. The only way out for Bobrisky is to continue denial of that tape. That will be the easiest route for him. That's just the truth. Bobrisky should learn a lesson. Pleading guilty, though they favor you. You pleaded guilty for dollar mutilation. And you thinking, say they will grant you bail. Nah, they knock and 6 months. So pleading guilty for Bobrisky is no longer an option. So Bobrisky will have to fight this one through with his godfather.
Mo mọ̀ wípé ẹ ti wo fídíò yẹn. Ìgbà tẹ́ ṣe wò rèé. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí rí àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ìròyìn ni, ìsọfúnni ni nípa ohun tó ń lọ. Comment section yẹn jáàmì ìròyìn bẹ̀. Kò mọ́ síbẹ̀ nìkan. Ẹ subscribe tó bá jẹ́ iṣẹ́ ń wò wá fúngbà àkọ́kọ́. Tàbí tí ń wò wá tẹ̀ kí ń subscribe, ẹ subscribe lónìí. Ẹ tẹ notification bell yẹn. Option all ẹ tẹ̀ ẹ́. Kẹ wá share ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì. Kẹ jáàmì ìròyìn comment section. Ẹ máa wò ó kẹ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ máa share ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì. Ẹ má wá gbàgbé Isnad Homes and Properties. Ilé-iṣẹ́ tó ń talé gẹ́gẹ́ bí aṣojú wọn ẹ wò ó. Àwọn nǹkan ọ̀tun ìlànà tuntun tí ó ṣàǹfààní fún kó wá tí wọ́n gbé wá yìí. Ó ṣe pàtàkì kẹ́ ẹ ralẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ sì tún máa rí owó látòrí ilẹ̀ tẹ́ rà. Ẹ mọ̀ wípé ìgbẹ̀yìngbẹ̀yìn ẹ tún rí owó tó lé nílọ́po iye tẹ́ ralẹ̀ ọ̀hún. Irú ilé-iṣẹ́ wo tó ń talẹ̀ wo ló ń ṣerú ẹ̀? Isnad nìkan ni. Lásìkò yìí tèmi tí ń tòótọ́ orí ọ̀fẹ́ rèé o. Tóbi Fásùgbà ló kọ mi. Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́ lẹ̀ ń pè mí lónìí ẹ ti wò lóní Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́ ẹ share ẹ̀ fáwọn ẹlòmíì lóní Bẹ́mbẹ́yẹ́kẹ́.